I'm going to do Word Chapter 1, Mid-Level 2, Backyard Bonanza assignment. This is the first chapter of Word section of my Lab course. Basically, there are 4 sections in this course those are Word, PowerPoint, Access, and Excel. So this is the first chapter of Word section. I will do this assignment step by step in this video, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me either through WhatsApp or email that is showing at the bottom of the screen, or you can contact me through email. So at start of the instruction, you can see this project description. Please go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment is starting from step 1 and ending at step 10. These are the 10 steps that we are supposed to solve. So in step number 1, it is saying that start Word, download and open the file named Exp19 Word Chapter 1 ML2 Backyard. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. The document was originally saved in an earlier version of Word, so you should save it as a Word document with the same file name. So first we are supposed to download this Word document that we can download from my Lab or Pearson dashboard. And this is the file where we will apply all these steps mentioned in the instruction file to get this assignment ready for the submission. So you can either download this from Pearson or my Lab. So from here you can turn on or you can display the non-printing characters. So that is all step number 1. Now we will move to step number 2. So step number 2 is change the orientation to portrait, add a page number footer. The page number should be placed at the bottom center of the page with the plain number 2 section close the footer. So in step number 2, we are supposed to insert the footer and we are supposed to change the orientation to portrait. So I have already changed the orientation to portrait. You can do this from going to the layout tab and then go to the orientation. So I have already selected the portrait. Let me show you in landscape. This was landscape and you can set portrait from here. Then we are supposed to insert a center page footer by using the plain number 2 page number. That you can do by going to insert tab and then go to the footer and then click on the edit footer, and from here you can add these page numbers. So I have already added this one. You can do it from here as I am showing. So after inserting this, just close the footer. So that was all about step number 2 of the assignment. So next step to do is step number 3. So place the insertion point at the end of the document and insert the text from the fish document. Scroll to the top of the page to change the word create to the build. So in this step, first we are supposed to place the insertion point at the end of the document and then we are supposed to copy the text from the fish file that we got along with the assignment files, and we are supposed to paste in the document, and then we are supposed to change the word build create to the build. So this is the fish file, and we are supposed to copy all this text, and we are supposed to place in the this file. So I have already copied and pasted in the solution file, so you can do that. And we were supposed to change the word create with build, so I have already changed it to the build. So that is all required in step number 3. So next step is step number 4. Step number 4 is check the document for the spelling and grammatical errors. The word delight is not misspelled as it is brand name. Because there is no correction suggestion for the word layer, you will need to manually change it. Ignore any grammatically or clarity concerns. So we are supposed to check the spelling and grammatical errors in step number 4. That we can do by simply going to the review tab and use the spelling and grammar check. So I have already checked the spelling and the grammar. So there is no grammatical or spelling checks in this document. So you can see there are no mistakes for the spelling and grammatical errors. So you can do that as well. So that was all about step number 4. So next step is step number 5. Change margins to narrow. Insert a page break immediately to the left of the build up backyard fish pond so that it begins on a new page. So first we are supposed to change the margins. We can do this by going to the layout and then go to the margins, and we are supposed to use an arrow, and I have already used an arrow for this one. Then we are supposed to insert a page break. This is a page break that we are supposed to insert before the build a backyard fish pond so that this begins on a new page. So I have already inserted a page break before this, and you can see that this is starting on a new page. That is all required in step number 5 of the assignment, as I am done with this one, and you can do this as well. Next step is step number 6. That is click after the word click after the word noticed and before the comma in the third sentence of the first parody paragraph of the direction on page 2. Then remove the comma and the following space inside the EM dash. So I am already done with this one, and you can do this one. So basically I have shown you 6 complete steps in this video, but for the remaining steps you can hire me to do this complete assignment for you. You can hire me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments. I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and you can hire me, and I will be doing